Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure workplace retirement plans with Empower, beginner guide step by step clearly. To configure workplace retirement plans with Empower, first, visit the Empower website. Create an account by clicking on the register button. Enter your personal details, including your name, email address, and any required identification numbers. Choose a secure password and confirm it as instructed. Verify your email by clicking on the link sent to your inbox. Log in to your new Empower account using your credentials. Navigate to the Retirement Plans section from the main dashboard. Select the type of retirement plan you want to configure, such as a 401k or IRA. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your employer information. Input the plan details, including contribution limits and eligibility criteria. Review the investment options available for the plan. Choose the appropriate investment strategies based on your workforce's needs. Set up automatic contributions by indicating the employee contribution percentages. Establish a matching contribution structure if applicable. Review the plan's compliance with federal regulations, including ERISA guidelines. Customize your plan's communication strategy for employees to ensure they understand their options. Finalize the configuration by reviewing all inputted information for accuracy. Submit the configuration for approval by Empower's team. Once approved, prepare to communicate the plan details to your employees. Utilize the resources provided by Empower for ongoing support and best practices. Monitor the retirement plan's performance regularly through your Empower dashboard. Adjust the plan as necessary to meet the evolving needs of your workforce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.